Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. OnePlus seems to be disappointing OnePlus 10 series users with OxygenOS 15 update. Because we have been covering close beta builds for OnePlus 10 Pro and there are a lot of things missing and even the optimization is not up to mark. Recently our OnePlus 10 Pro received a new update of OxygenOS 15 again for the close beta testers. Towards the right top side it says close beta, and if you see the version which is 15.0.0.306. This is the latest update what OnePlus 10 Pro have received. The update size was just 192.84 MB. If you guys remember, with the previous update, OnePlus did introduce some new filters, which was recently rolled out for OnePlus 12 also. But other than that, we did not even see the new watermarks. And those are Hasselblad watermarks which they added on OnePlus 12. I think it should have been added on OnePlus 10 Pro also, because it also has the Hasselblad branding. And along with that, they haven't even added the live photo feature in the camera application. And not even a single AI feature have been added here on this latest build. You consider notes application, here also we don't have the AI assistant for notes. You even consider recorder application, here also we don't get to see any AI features. And nothing yet to be seen in the smart sidebar. We have the similar stuff, file dock and recents page. But before talking about the changes and performance part, we have around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now let me show you the changelogs of this latest build, which doesn't bring any kind of new add-ons. They have just done some fixes. Other than these two issues, like fix an issue where the music player in the background might stutter after device is unlocked. This issue and the last issue which says fix an issue when opening an app. So these two issues were present on the previous build, and I've noticed that lag issue in applications like Telegram. So whenever I used to open the Telegram application, it used to get stuck in the midway, like after it opens around 75%. But that thing have been fixed. That issue I slightly noticed in the camera application. So let me close the camera application and show you guys. Now it's not to be seen, but initially when I installed this latest update and I did test out the applications, the camera application was behaving similar way what I used to notice with the Telegram application. But it happened only once or twice. And after that, this music player issue was also there on the previous build, but after updating to this latest build, we did test out and there were no issues at all. Other than that, I did not face any kind of issues what they have mentioned in the fixes. And only one change which I noticed after upgrading to this latest build of OxygenOS 15, and that's in the gaming dashboard. So now if you choose Pro Gamer mode, it also says optimized by Trinity Engine. This was the only change which I noticed after upgrading the device to this build, but trust me, the gaming experience on OnePlus 10 Pro has been quite a disappointment, especially in BGMI. While OnePlus claimed improvements with OxygenOS 15 updates, the reality tells a different story. We noticed some gains in the benchmark results, which I'll show you guys after this, but the actual gaming experience was far from ideal. During a quick warm-up TDM, the phone started to drop frames almost instantly. It did not take long for FPS to fall as low as 35 frames per second. Despite playing at 90 FPS settings, the gaming experience was so bad that we did not even bother moving on classic matches and decided to end the gaming test there. Adding to the frustration, the device heats up a lot, especially the OnePlus 10 Pro, which not only impacts the gaming but also the regular usage. Simple tasks like scrolling through the UI starts to stutter once the phone heats up, and I can understand how hard it is to do gaming on devices like OnePlus 10 Pro. These issues aren't new and were also present before OxygenOS 15 update. So if you are expecting a magical improvement in the gaming performance with the latest OxygenOS 15 for your OnePlus 10 Pro, then you are wrong. Sadly, this isn't the performance you expect from a Pro device. And I hope OnePlus do consider improving the performance of OnePlus 10 Pro, especially in the games like BGMI. Now let's talk about the benchmark results and compare it with the previous build. Starting off with the Geekbenchmark application, so here you can see the results of the latest build in which single core has scored 1600 and multi-core scores are 3508. On the previous build, single cores were exactly same and the multi-core scores were slightly lower, which were 3333. In terms of Antutu benchmark application, device has scored 10,44,963, and if you see on the previous build, the scores were slightly higher, which were 11,54,975. In terms of CPU throttling, we did notice slight improvements here. You can see average GIPs have gone above 3,35,000 and the maximum CPU throttle 81%. If I show you on the previous build, you can see the maximum CPU had throttle only 79%, and we also noticed slight dips in the graph. With the Wildlife Extreme Stress Test, we did notice slight drops here. Stability scores on this latest build was 62.6%. On the previous build, the scores was 78.2%. If you own a OnePlus 10 Pro, then I'm sorry to say, you guys will miss out on most of the OxygenOS 15 features, including the AI features. And I also noticed that the OS is not that optimized for OnePlus 10 series. But still, let's wait for the stable build, and I hope OnePlus do add some AI features on OnePlus 10 Pro. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.